hard hat. My name is Terry Belligan. I'm the General Manager of Operations here. I know most of you. Welcome. It's a big day for the bridge. We're putting the last segment up in the bridge. That doesn't mean that it's going to be open. We still have a lot of work, but this is one of the biggest milestones for this project. So I'd like to have you guys witness that. What we'll do is we'll gather here, grab a hard hat, we'll caravan over to Dock Street, and we'll go into the construction area. This is Mike Evans. He's our owner's representative. He's kind of leading the show. And we'll see the last segment going up, okay?
Hey, real quick, just so everybody remember, this is an active construction site. We're gonna follow into the gate. I'll try to keep everybody tight. How many vehicles are we talking about? 6, 7 vehicles going over?
No, more than that.
More than that?
I could fit like 4 in my truck.
4.
We got 9 boys.
Mayor, I like the mayor. So what we'll do is we'll probably pull you guys up and not take you all the way in, and then that way we can walk up. But what I'd ask is you kind of stay together, make sure you have your COVID protocol that was set forth by your city, follow your guidelines, and then again, you're outside, so whatever's best for you, you feel choice. It's America. We'll do what we need to do. So just remember, lots of stuff, big moment like Terry said, and more importantly, all these guys that you're going to see and gals that are out here that's worked on this project, it's a big day for them as well. So just keep that in mind. So.
Okay. All right. So let's gather up in the vehicles. I could, Dave, you're going to ride with me. I can take 2 more people if that happens. Get a great group photo. One heading, 2 headings, 3 headings.
We had 3.
Yeah, we had 3, and at one time we had 4. You can see all the way down here, all the way to the canal. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, yeah.
So we had 6 altogether. Yeah. Yeah, we had 6 altogether, and at least 3 cranes going on at one time.
So how'd you do the canal with the
So we put a barge in the canal. We put a crane on the barge. Up top, we have what we call a lifting device that went on top of the bridge with counterweights, and then lifted a segment up, moved it in place, put it in place, lowered it down, and then picked up another one, put it on the barge, and went up.
Put one, it took 4. It takes 4 hours.
To put one of those
So
segments.
2 hours down for the cables, 2 hours back. So
Is that the segment they signed or no?
yeah, this is a segment they signed. If you want to take the mayor over, let him sign it, or whatever you want to do.
Hey
we
guys,
make that
I know we signed.
Yeah, we signed the first one way over there.
Okay.
And then this is the last one, so we're having all the field crews sign it. Because
In Chicago, we're here. You have truly blessed me. You have blessed me to be your mayor 10 años, 10 years. October the 16th, I celebrated 10 years of being mayor. And one of the first projects that I started was the Cline Avenue bridge project. And I literally hit the ground, and the first year of me being mayor, starting to work with others, Earl Harris, Representative Earl Harris, some of our other local officials. I hate to just start saying names because then you miss people. Dave Ryan. I could just go on and on, the people that we work with. It was the mayor of Karen Freeman of Gary then. But man, we were on this big long table. There was about 20 of us. And we were talking about resurrecting Cline Avenue. Now, the culmination of all that work, you can now see we're going to put the last segment in, and maybe 30 days or less, you're going to see Cline Avenue be opened up, fully operational. The weather, look, who would think it would be 70 on this monumental occasion? Who would think it would be 70 in November? We have been blessed not only with weather, we have been blessed with everybody coming together on one accord, working towards this project. So again, it took me 10 years. Never gave up, never doubted that the project would get done. And you're talking about a beautiful bridge. Aesthetically, this is probably going to be one of the most beautiful bridges in Indiana. So again, the only thing that beats a failure is a try, and we tried and we have succeeded. So East Chicago, we're truly blessed. And when this bridge is up and running, our original deal was that the city of East Chicago would get 10 cents per car. So we would get a little revenue off of every car that goes through. So, but that's just icing on the cake. The blessing come in that we will be to restore the traffic patterns that historically freed us up for all of the traffic coming on the off-ramps coming into the city. So again, East Chicago, this story is to be continued.
They're currently setting the counterweights up on the bridge where the segment is going to be in place. Once the counterweights are set, they're going to turn the crane around, pick up the last segment, which is number 685, and then they're going to put it in place where the cavity is there. And then they're going to marry them together with a form closed concrete. So this is a big day for East Chicago. Last segment, 685 into the new Cline Avenue Bridge.